So we're all done here. It took me about 30 minutes. A couple of minutes here or there having to go back to the camera, but those bolts are pretty heavy duty. They were holding the seatbelts on, so those will be usable. The metal frame obviously is nice. Those couple pieces with the footing should be nice if I need to bolt it to the wall or floor. This is a nice piece of sheet metal that I could use. There's places around the inside of the bus where there's some rotting, so I may use that to replace it. The foam, you know, it's all right. Maybe I could use it for insulation or something, I'm not sure. And then there's over there the vinyl covers. They're pretty strong. Maybe they'll go underneath something as a barrier or whatnot. But so each chair or bench yields this much material. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do with all of them, except for 3, 2 of which are probably going to be used as actual seats, and 1 going to my cousin's wife, who says that she wants a bus seat, so she's going to get a bus seat. And with that, out to the garage we go.